How to play eFootball with PS5 controller on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play eFootball with a PS5 controller on your Android device. First, turn on your PS5 controller by pressing the PS button. Then, press and hold the Create button located next to the D-pad and the PS button until the light bar starts blinking. On your Android device, go to Settings and then Bluetooth. Look for the PS5 controller under Available Devices and tap on it to pair. Once paired, open eFootball and your PS5 controller should be ready to use. Ensure that your Android device is running a compatible version of Android for best performance. If the controller isn't connecting, try turning off Bluetooth and retry pairing. With the PS5 controller, you should experience smooth gameplay with minimal input lag. Just make sure to check that your controller is charged to avoid interruptions. And that's how you play eFootball with a PS5 controller on Android.